Hey guys, it's yet again Friday, and yet again no theme week, but I think it's kind of understandable. I mean, we've all been kind of busy and everything, and like Miss Moon said, we haven't gotten together in a really long time, so I think it'd be really great actually if we did. I mean, usually it's me, Miss Moon, and B-Bear, and you know, I love hanging out with you guys, but having like all of us together to hang out would be really fun. I'm all for it just about any time. I mean, I still don't have a job, which I do have high hopes though, because I've put out more applications and I'm trying to get my old job back, and I have high hopes that it's gonna happen. Also, Moose. No one likes Stephen Moffat. No one. Russell T. Davies, however, yes. And also, B, your video. That was cute. And I'm sorry you're so busy. Like, I know you like your job, and I know you're excited about your job, but I'm sorry that it makes you so tired when you come home and you can't do anything but congeal on a chair. But it sounds like it's all working out, and I'm glad. And, other than that, I mean, I'll go ahead and say it, Miss Moon. I have nothing else to say. Because it hasn't really, other than kind of hanging out and all that, I mean, nothing has really been going on. And, I guess that's it for theme week. I'll see some of you guys later, and hopefully we can all get together again. That'd be really great. Bye!